Guys, as I promised from my recent come shop with me in Poundland, I said that I'm going to be doing like weekly like come shop with me's in Poundland in the month of June. It's actually the last week of May. I went in there, I literally just walked in there and I saw like they had Father's Day stuff and they had a couple of brand new stuff. So I thought I'll come and show you guys. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe because I just someone who loves going shopping and looking for bargains. So again, I only got like a handful of stuff, but some good stuff. So first thing I got was this, right? This like elephant watering can. You would have seen this from my last come shop with me in the store. And like, yeah, I was at this time when we were like, basically my son, my 6-year-old, he wants to plant. He wants to start planting. I tried planting a couple of years ago. It was not successful. Basically, I tried planting. I'm telling you, I tried planting. I bought planting pots, multi-compost stuff, all of that jazz. I bought seeds. I was planting. The plants were growing. Okay, it was the rain. It ruined the plants for me. It was so soggy. We threw it out. Since then, I've been like, I'm not gonna plant anything anymore. My son's convinced me that, you know what, we should plant. And obviously, because I homeschool my kids, I think like they should I feel like planting a plant will be good, and it's something that we have been studying in the past as well. And he's really wants to plant a plant. So I bought this. We are going back again shopping this week actually. We're going back shopping again because last week I saw this really nice plant pot and it was in a different Poundland store. But we're gonna grow a plant indoors. That's what indoors. That's how we're gonna do it. Next, I got this photo frame. It's a poster frame, right? But I actually got it because you see this picture over here. This one. I got from HomeSense. By the way, I linked that video up here. I grabbed that for £2 in HomeSense. I linked the video. Okay, check it out. Seriously, you can grab yourself some really good bargains in HomeSense if you look really well. Basically, I'm reorganizing the house, and like, I bought this because I want to move this one and that. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? This little light thing, LED light thing. Yeah, it says and sign that I got from Poundland. And basically, I want to move that and that photo from HomeSense. And that wall art from HomeSense to the middle of the bed, and then I want this. I'm either gonna DIY this or I'm gonna draw like I'm just gonna draw something so that it just looks like a really pretty like wall art in the middle, because I feel like here there's just so much going on. I'm channeling my inner interior design. Does that make sense? So obviously you guys saw that they had some Father's Day stuff. Yeah, I got this. I got the dad picture frame. You guys, seriously, my kids we walked in there and my son was like, oh, let's get something for dad. When I saw this one, yeah, they had the dad, but it literally says dad, and you got to put like pictures of your dad in all 3 of the letters. And I was like, this is so nice, because again, I'm channeling my inner interior design right? In the hallway downstairs, I want to do like a wall. I don't know what a quote wall frame. I don't know what you call it. Basically, I've got a home sign. I've got like this love picture frame, and I've got this one. And I was thinking of just making like a quote wall sign and like adding more pictures. I'm just redecorating, you guys, and I feel like this will just go really pretty around there. Oh, look out on the channel as well. I'm going to be doing that as a budget friendly how to decorate your house on a budget, because seriously, I am redecorating my house on a budget. And again, for Father's Day, my son wants to give this to his dad. So dad, you are the man. They've got different mugs in there. They've got like #1 dad, super dad, yeah, super dad, and I think there's another one, the greatest father. Yeah, so they've got like 4 designs in there. And yeah, I got this, dad, you are the man. I've got 2 more items to show. I got this Dermo V10 Tech Solutions. Basically, it's this Derma brand thing, right? It's the peel off mask with charcoal. Basically, this like peels off, it's activated charcoal to peel off away blackheads and unblock pores. So you can get the nose strip from this brand Derma V10, but then I was gonna get a nose strip, and then I saw like they had the mask, and I was like, oh my goodness, the mask like is even more better. I'm gonna test it out, and then I'm gonna come and show you guys like how good it works. I'm being serious. I'm testing a lot of products lately, and I'm gonna come and show you guys how it works. And yeah, so look out for that video. Now lastly, I've got some Haribo Fun Mix. This is brand new, and yeah, I'm not really a fan of this. I've tasted it. Who is it? Just so when I'm pouring sweets, you walk in. This guy, well, he's two. This small guy loves sweets. But yeah, I've opened it because I tried it. Not really a fan of it, but they're not bad. I like the strawberries. If you've tried the Haribo strawberries, right, yeah, it's basically just that texture of sweets, but they've got ice cream, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
It's just ice cream and Coca-Cola and strawberries. You see that ice cream and Coca-Cola. So that's it guys for my video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, you guys. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys on my next Come Short Me in Poundland. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'll take care of yourselves, guys. Bye. Let me eat this. Oh wait, hold up. I think I do like this sweet. I like the ice cream.